I beg you, Ghanaians, I beg you, on behalf of all the Nigerians that you know, whatever Tinubu came to say at the Independence Square today, we did not send him.
Mama Akwaba, wafreme Ajowa search name, Mesrel, na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo yaba 2025. Last year 2024, 7th December, and Ghana for na yakotwaba. Na after the elections, and Ghana for decided say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and on Sanso MBDN so. January 7th, and almost when in as president, and NPP funa it is omukuku no mokaka. If you are more offices, Akotinefie and His Excellency, my own father, another Danko Kufuado, and handle power over to NDC for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, AM President Sisia. Na Endra, and swaying in Ekoso. Na ene nkwofu bebre na by a free different countries by na special guest ana oye Nigeria President Tinubu na obai na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama invite no bekasai odinse bebre asudwa o chese Ghana na Nigeria de it is ba fine fame it is yakwa ahwe ye nche and Nigeria na Ghana din se hunkwa na edi unnecessary ntokwa eba the entertainment and a politics comparison no too much. Na Ghana Nigeria so the nti ye nuanom nti His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we invited Tinubu as special guest of Ekasa and if I know but Tinubu ne kase mo no sanso kase obe support His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in terms of governance na just be because na Ghana for yes hene ha papa yesterday yesterday o support when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na obebu amembu no Nigeria for munya light dem emfia hene what's munsu nye munsu semenye mo education nye mo light energy sector nye enti dem pa na abebebo yen e wa bra ya na nkasa no already na nkasa no yento esija so ye ni abre because amembu we no yen hye hu say if we left e ko right or if right e ko left just ye nema na ye ko ye bom pass nyambe ya dom no Tinubu siden na Ghana for kase wiye no ene Nigeria for so e de omo ensema abobontin Nigeria for say omo issue disclaimer and sema omo Nigeria president bekan Tinubu bekan no omo nim ho hwe as matter of fact Tinubu na kasa on Nigeria or to UK London into Nigeria for na kasa woni president as a ministers and MPs no mu bo man no Tinubu no onti o man mu nti onim ne ekoso wo ho into Nigeria for chess omo e apology about omo payencho omo sre say and some Tinubu bekan ewa bra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama almost sworn in as Ghana president no omo nim ho hwe omo omo nsaso nti Ghana ya membu na nkoyie na say ye start say ye kasa kasa and my ye fa nko Nigeria for once because Tinubu no oba no wanka Nigeria for class omo oba ha Nigeria for send warning the Ghana for sorry or the apology about Ghana for say a president ban or Ghana no they have no idea so all bahano and then some other kind so no they are not aware into no and the Ghana for more pay and chopa because the end is and try yentin some of the etuda.
Hi, my name is Partman, the Bishop of Comedy. Please, disclaimer, I beg you, Ghanaians, I beg you, on behalf of all the Nigerians that you know, whatever Tinubu came to say at the Independence Square today, we did not send him. We are not even aware that he came to Ghana to advise Ghanaians that they should create job. Meanwhile, your people are soft. We did not send him, please. He came on his own from UK, where he has been staying. Please forgive us, please. Please.
Me say unim de me he eda wo be sori abeka so ye NDC ni no it turns you to the opposite side e dey ntina me kasa ene eda sori ya ye say ye free bibi operation oral committee na ohwe oral committee members no enye baako na ne penso cocaine eda ne konkonte o parliament bebre enye baako na time na o te office or forge ne birth certificate say be ya ne age ne baba for money to matter office ache Enya baako no kowi abuku ma court punish no. Ah, enya baako na okofa okowi obi media house no. Ah, mebo. Professor John Evans Atamils, or a professor of law. Sir Professor John Evans Atamils, entimi anchi nipa baako mpo MPP nia. How more young go? Say me ne wo kasai. Said na temakolo. Sa former Maslog boss na odi 70 million Ghana cedis. Brand ye dia man say kantamanto jato enti onfa sa sika no enko market woman o so akwacha mo man so kantamanto ni ba kokra nya bi no. Sa woman no court ajele no enso sisi a so na US. Sir Kilsel ato forcing current minority leader. Say me ne wo kasai. Se wono won na mo abra ye nche no a. Me say MDC 40 michi NDC ni nyansani ba kumpa munsimi hu. Just save this video. Save this video. Master, what are you telling me? Are they that aura no in their capacity as what? And I was also called for arrest. And I didn't know that thing was dead on arrival. I'm telling you. Meaning saying Jamia Minya Presido or best start or best lecture Makuma Bishop Sabri. Yeah, they have a proper quemo. And then a hand is for professor of law. One went to man JMPP Niba Kumpo. Ah, now Professor John Dramani Mahama, the officer on the pension, a government official one. Yes, set a whole committee as a vice president. The boss set the whole committee. So on one anymore. No one jinindi. I am pa government official one scandal. Na yeah. John Dramani Mahama. A day in a man yen say on no wait me action Baba Kumpo. Ewo MPP. Yen so MPP Nyansani ba kumpo save this video. Bombra mesi who. Moka se Ghana yenim de ekoso. And there will be a sorry, Kevin Taylor or no, or so as a Ghana information, you know, the Quran or boy, we mean gymnastics. They just want a way almost be a praise or many position, be no much Mabagana, about a you are Captain Smart, and our ferry. Because if a whole journalist, Nasa ultimate Nasi, a whole media station say, will be over top of a political party, be where bonim Yansa. Because say or more outlining bold solutions that will keep Ghana going. Nasa will say, yeah, by Jobo. O can say, me the pa, send near mammy and son, they chat for no sister when you're in this, no correct. And this is for, in fact, say you're born or my bone, so I do not know for more, say you, and then of course of parliament. Ah, there be you. Mama say, or no as gracia no bow become. And the current administration say, oh, and the year walk around my Jumana, dear man, and the Yamfa at a 71 budget and a cry my parliament. No matter you don't mean this for so many years here. Mona Muslim become, or what would your mamma? Now, easier. What's one tears? What's the betting tax air high? What's the levy air high? What's the COVID levy air high? I go for the semester, may boy my mind no easy amount. Ye in every hole. A friend and Ram here Ghana Statistical Service at the top and say country no able to almost 7 billion Ghana cedis a year. And today, were you not there when these people were saying, say, Ombe taxes in everyone? Why didn't you bring out? What kind of coward behavior is that? Masa, and this is for Ghana Nyamudia. Ghana Nyamudia. Mona must minor, mobile reset. Yes, it's a much sheniama fine. Massa say Niama fine, Yahusama reset Ghana. And Tafe, you're trendy mobile bay. Now, what kind of blame games are you doing? I didn't know Masha say a complaining. I didn't know Mahama Wunyan start